Hello everyone, welcome to Biotech Week Boston TV. I'm Eden Turner, Senior Conference Producer with Informa Connect, and I'm here today with Russell Kneipp, Chief Operating Officer at Spectrum Chemical Manufacturing Corporation. Thank you so much for joining us today, Russell.
Thanks for having me, Eden.
So Spectrum Chemical is a name that's really making a name for itself in the biopharma industry. Would you mind going into a little bit more detail about the company?
Sure. I'll start off with Spectrum is happy to be celebrating our 50th year of being in business. We've got operations in Los Angeles, New Brunswick, New Jersey, and Shanghai. Our facilities are registered with the FDA. They're also CGMP and ISO certified, and we have multiple analytical testing labs. We serve over 120 industries, biopharma being one of them, which is also our fastest growing segment. And we offer over 200,000 chemicals, lab supplies, and instrumentation to our customers. One competitive advantage that we have is our size and our nimbleness and our ability to quickly meet our customers' needs.
Fantastic. And at the moment, we're all hearing a lot about supply shortages due to COVID-19 and various other factors, and it's definitely impacting biopharma.
Right.
How is Spectrum Chemical helping to alleviate that disruption?
Yeah, when COVID first hit, we were one of the first companies to respond to the immediate surge in demand for PPE, test kit chemicals, as well as chemicals going into vaccine development, let alone just regular production to keep our customers operational. We've got, in our supply chain, we've got over 250 strong manufacturing relationships to help ensure that we understand what's going on in the marketplace and keep flow of product going. We've also got a database of roughly 70,000 manufacturers of chemicals and active pharmaceutical ingredients that if shortages in the lines develop, we can respond quickly. I think another area too is the time that we spend with our customers to understand their long-term forecast needs as well as their production timing plans. And again, doing that in a way where we're flexible and nimble to deal with surges like we saw in the last year and a half. I think that through all of this, we found that we're a nimble organization that's able to respond quickly, not only to surges, but also in the last year or so, there's been a number of new product development efforts where they've gone from grassroots to production in a really short amount of time. And that flexibility and nimbleness has really helped us serve our customers well.
Fantastic, brilliant. So, Russell, the biopharma industry has very unique needs compared to more traditional pharma. And obviously, you mentioned this is your fastest growing sector. What are some of the things you're doing to meet these needs?
Yes, as you know, biopharma has a much more stringent process than you would see in traditional small molecule pharmaceuticals. What we do is we work really hard to provide that batch-to-batch consistency and provide a supply chain transparency to ensure that the products are the same to specification from batch to batch. We do that through our analytical labs with our CFAs to ensure that whether it's from an R&D perspective and a pilot production capacity or full-on production, our customers get the exact product that they started with from development through to production. The biocertified product is, our goal is to be the biocertified supplier throughout that supply chain, from development on into production.
Fantastic. And can you tell us a bit more about Spectrum Chemical's biocertified products?
Sure, yeah. Biocertified is not only a quality management system, but it's also a portfolio of chemicals for biopharmaceuticals. In that, our raw materials go beyond the standard requirements, and we include additional testing, whether it be endotoxin, bioburden, or elemental impurities. All of our products are manufactured in CGMP certified facilities. And we offer sizes that scale with the product. So they go from the R&D in the labs through pilot on into production, where we also offer customized packaging to meet needs so that you're not having to deal with the waste stream of too much chemicals. You get exactly the amount that you need. Our bio-certified products carry the 100% transparent and 100% tested guarantee, so you know exactly what you're getting.
Fantastic. And obviously this year marks Spectrum Chemicals' 50th year. You've got an excellent banner behind you there. How are you celebrating this major milestone?
Yeah, we're pleased to be celebrating a year-long recognition of being in business with our customers, our partners, our employees, and our local communities. We've made several donations of PPE and other safety products to our local first aid responders in New Jersey and California. We've renewed our support for science programs within the local schools. And we've also been able to navigate the many COVID safety protocols to be able to celebrate and appreciate our customers. That also, we've made a number of investments in our supply chain in recognition that the industry has changed quite a bit. So we've invested in our operations and our supply chains to meet future needs.
That's fantastic. Yeah, it's so nice to see how, despite the whole situation, that's managed to bring everyone together like that. That's really great, isn't it?
It really has, yes.
And looking ahead to the future, hopefully past COVID,
Yep.
what are some of your plans to continue growing?
Well, the customer has always been at the center of our focus and will always continue to be, whether it be working with our technical team, our direct sales force, our customer service organization, or as the way that things are trending, more and more is going online. So our online stores, whether it be for purchasing or for making your research decisions. In addition to that, we'll continue to make investments in our operations and our supply chain to be able to grow with our customers as their needs evolve. And then last, we'll continually look to innovate our business so that we can meet today's needs of our biopharma customers as well as their needs for the next 50 years.
Brilliant, fantastic. Thank you so much, Russell. Well, this has been Eden Turner for BWB TV, speaking with Russell Kneipp, Chief Operating Officer at Spectrum Chemical Manufacturing Corporation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Eden.